Today I'm going to be reviewing Nacina's broom holder wall mount. Comes with two of these. I have one that I mounted, but I wanted to show you this. I'd like to thank Nacina for sending this to me to review. What's really nice is now it is plastic, but it's well made. It's very sturdy. It has hooks. I'm going to show you right here. So it has a hook on there. So it has these hooks. You can hook stuff onto there. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots, and you're going to get 2 of these. And it's got this spring-loaded mechanism here, so you just push your broom or whatever right into there, and it works really well. Like I said, I'm going to show the picture here. These do really well on Amazon. It is an Amazon choice. It's got 4.6 stars, and last month, over 800 plus of these were sold. Now, as far as mounting, you'll see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. The best way is to pre-drill it. They give you instructions how. They even give you wall anchors if you need them with the screws. So when you do it, you can drill the holes in, you can mark them, however you want to do it. It was very simple. I got it up fairly quickly, and it's holding them very well. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.